Hi folks, I hope you are okay. Today I come here to clear one more confusion, and in fact it is a trap that is extended to the urticaria patients. I don't say it's intentional, but it's based on incompetence. But you are the ones that can be more armed with this. So it's on the confusion between the triggers on physical urticarias like cholinergic cold urticaria, urticaria to the heat, which is different from cholinergic, solar, vibrational, delayed pressure, which is, it doesn't give an immediate result, but is a bit delayed. That's why this name. But on the others, the timing is almost immediate. In 4 minutes, the person has a breakout. Oppositely, on the chronic spontaneous urticaria, they are considered that there are no defined triggers, so the patient can do everything he wants, and the only thing that he can do is being controlled with on the heat and angioedema with antihistamines. But what is more nowadays, the fashion is the immunobiologic shots and sometimes immunosuppressants, which is part of the multi-billion-dollar industry. So, but this is a huge mistake, because chronic spontaneous urticaria is also created, only happens in excessively thermogenic internal environment. So what does this mean? It's all the triggers from the physical urticarias that have an immediate, they create in some minutes a breakout, which is almost immediately. On chronic spontaneous urticaria, the same triggers, it's not on short term, but on mid-term and long term, this allows people to improve and to eliminate urticaria. So only people with very low ambition related to eliminating or curing, if you want, can think like this. So you should, if you have a chronic spontaneous urticaria, you should also avoid the triggers from the physical urticarias, because when you expose yourself to these triggers, it's going to aggravate on the mid and long term, and disallow you to get rid of this. And that's the reason why you keep stuck to this multi-billion-dollar industry and the shots, immunobiologics and all the other things. So it's very important you to understand this. I don't want you to fall on this trap. Study a bit, investigate, and you will see that I'm right. If you have questions, please message me. Hugs and kisses.